Ever wondered why your stomach growls? It's not just hunger, it's your body's secret way of staying ready. That growling sound called borborygmi happens when gas and fluids move through your digestive tract. Even on an empty stomach, your body stays active, prepping for your next meal. The hunger hormone ghrelin triggers these movements, making that growling noise. But it's not always hunger. Fiber fizzy drinks and digestion can also crank up the volume. Want to keep it quiet? Stay hydrated, eat smaller meals and chew well. Remember, stomach growls are just your body's healthy way of saying, let's refuel